PLUG as well. This is plug power. Plug power is looking decent. Why? Right now we have this area which is our 200 simple moving average. See if price can break through. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Well, this is your boy Francis. Welcome to the Trading Success Show. Today I will be talking about large price and large float stocks, right? Large cap stocks, these are like Microsoft, Apple, Tesla, and all those good names, right? Google as well, Amazon, Facebook, all these are large cap, large price stock with their float being large as well. But I talked about the market in details in my previous video, so you can as well, go take a look at it as well. I also talk about, what the market will be doing and what I'm expecting the market to do in the coming week. But I'll just give just a brief, analysis on this one, as most of the sector on Friday really closed green. Looking at IWM as well is looking like it wants to bounce off this retest zone, which is the 50 and 20 exponential moving average, which is bullish in the nature. Looking at SPY as well, SPY does look bullish as the 20 and 50 anticipate the cross above the 200 moving average, so keep an eye out on that as well. If you want to take a look at the video, is also posted up on the YouTube channel. Now I'm looking at Trader Flow. Trader Flow helps to understand what the options market looks like, what the calls are coming in, what kind of calls, what kind of big boys are trading, what stocks they are trading, AMC, AMD, Tesla, Baba as well, NVDA as well, DWAC also is also there as well, and we're looking at the power alert as well. So most of the chart I'm going to lay out today, they're going to be coming in from the power alert, looking for institutional buy, as well as what level they are buying, what are they buying. Look at BYND as well. They bought 190k at 49.30. that is about $9.4 million. Okay, that is what they bought. Even NTC as well, they bought 5.7 million at what, $48.11 spot. So I'll be taking my analysis of this level on my stock tweet as well. If you take a look at my stock tweet, I also lay out small price, small float stocks as well. Now let's get into the meat of the day. This is not a recommendation to buy or to sell any stock. This is for entertainment purposes only. First stock here is going to be PayPal. Okay, PayPal, I have PayPal in my long-term account, so I'm not too worried about any pullback. Even when we pull back, or if we pull back to $100, I'll be adding more, right? But the market looks bullish and I expect these stocks to take off. Now looking at a PayPal, I'm expecting this 20 exponential moving average area to hold, which is your 115 spot. Okay, see how we rejected this trend, which also coincide with our 50 exponential moving average. I'll be expecting 20 exponential moving average to hold as a support in anticipation of the market move to the upside. Next is going to be Apple, AAPL right now. We did get through this resistance zone only to reject the 180 spot back down to 172.50. Right now I'll be expecting this area to hold. If it doesn't, then I'll be looking for 170 as a support. Square as well, which is now known as block. Right now the 20 is crossing the 50. That's bullish, but at this point in time we rejected the 150 area to pull back to retest this trend. See if price can hold 130 and we should be all right. We gonna be all right. Well, I have Roku at this point in time right now. See if Roku can reclaim the 20 exponential moving average. That is the area you really want to watch at this point in time, with support around the 120. Okay, 120 is your support for now on Roku. Netflix also looking fine, looking good. Right now we have this little looking shape inverse head and shoulder. This is the left side, and we have what, the right side. So see if price can hold this 370 area. If price hold, then price can really stock can really reclaim the 20 exponential moving average. BYND as well, I really am not a fan of BYND trade, but I do trade BYND. Pull back up, you know, just like that, and now we're pulling back into the 20 exponential moving average. See if that area holds. If it holds, then I will be looking for price to revisit the $200 on BYND. That is for a long-term hold. BBBY as well. Right now we're looking for a support around this 110 108 area. This is going to act as a support. This is your support area because this is also an inverse head and shoulder. See if volume is coming in on BABA, so keep an eye on that. Another Chinese stock, we're looking at KeyWeb, KWEB. This one as well, this is a Chinese internet ETF. So looking at support around $30. That is your area. If price pull back and reclaim 30 support, then we can continue to push on there. DD as well, DD. Right now support is going to be that area. You see, this is a small price stocks, but it also comes in the mix, right? With downtrend around this area of 325. That is your best bet. Facebook, we're looking at you know, price to fill this gap that was created, but right now we got a rejection around the 50 exponential moving average here and pull back down. So look for 225 to break. You know, if this 225 area holds, then we can continue to the upside on that name as well. Microsoft as well. Microsoft, I'm looking for price to continue with our support right around the 200 moving average. AMD, I did play AMD. I think I picked some up calls, some up, and got to the 125, took some, and I'm holding you know, about 2 call options right now, but guess what, I'm losing on that at the moment, but I'm still profitable on the call option side. So look for this area 105 108 area to hold as a support. If not, then we'll pull back down to this 101 102 area for triple bottom support. BB as well, BlackBerry, I'm looking for BlackBerry to pull back up. Right now we just failed the 20 exponential moving average. DKNG, what do I have? This is a long-term play for me. Right now price is pulling back below the 20 exponential moving average. See if price can reclaim the $19 spot. If it does, then we can head to $20 and more to the upside. P10 as well, this is Patterson as well. Patterson is looking bullish at that point. MOS, this one right now we're looking for support around the $65 zone. That is your support in anticipation of the push towards move towards the upside, with your support around 62. Immediate support if this one fails. BYND as well. I showed you earlier on Cheetah Flow that they are buying this area, so look for price to hold the 20 exponential moving average. Ford as well. Ford, we're looking at Ford right now. Ford is retesting the 200 moving average. See if price can hold that area. If it does, then we can bounce back up and cut through this downtrend, which is also our 50 exponential moving average. Starbucks right now is looking solid. Right now we're having issue with the 50 exponential moving average. If that area give out, then we can really push towards the $95 spot. Disney as well. Disney is looking solid for price to hold this 135 136 area. If it does, then we're looking for more to the upside as well on Starbucks. Amazon at this point in time is having issue with the 200 moving average. If price can reclaim that 33.30 area, then we can continue to retest the $3,400 spot. If not, look for price to pull back to the 3,200 area. Looking at Costco as well, Costco, right, this need a stock split. This one really need a stock split, so look for price action into 600 in the coming days on Costco as well. SST as well, right now we're looking to break this downtrend. If we break, then price will continue to push to the upside. We'll talk about Microsoft as well, you know, with a support around $300 spot in anticipation of the break again. See how we're pulling back to retest that area, so keep an eye out on that. WMT, which is your Walmart is pushing and pushing and pushing into resistance. This is the resistance area. Keep an eye and see if price can really hold that spot as well. General Motors, right now I'm seeing General Motors as a support around this $42 area. If price really hold that spot, then we can continue to push higher and reclaim that, you know, area. So T as well, AT&T, right now we're working the 20 and 50 exponential moving average with the downtrend right above us that got rejected. See if price can continue on this huge hammer looking shape. Tesla, what do we have? We got Tesla at resistance. So Tesla came into resistance, rejected it, pulled back down, you know. So right now 1050 is the area I will be watching if price continue to push lower. But for now, this is the area you really need to watch for the break up or breakdown on Tesla. ABBV as well, man, the short sellers are not happy with this trade because this has been pushing and pushing and pushing and pushing. Right now I'll be looking for a pullback into the 20 exponential moving average. Why did I say that? Because every time we pull to the 20 we bounce right off, so I'll be looking for a pull into that area if short sellers can really come in and push that back to the downside. Airbnb as well, this one right now we are looking bullish on this with 170 as our support. If we can break this 175, 176, then we can push right up through 180 in the coming days. NVDA as well, NVDA is looking like price, you know, rejected the 290 area back down to support the 20 exponential moving average. Keep an eye out on NVIDIA to see if momentum can come in and push this to the upside. FUV as well. FUV at this point we failed the 650 area only to pull back down to 550, support that spot. See if this 550 hold as a support. QCOM as well. QCOM right now, same thing, failed that 200 moving average spot only to pull back down and bounce right off the 144, 143 area. I keep an eye, see if that area really holds, and we'll try again on this downtrend. See how this downtrend got rejected. It will also coincide with our 50 exponential moving average. AAPL UG as well, this is plug power. Plug power is looking decent. Why? Right now we have this area which is our 200 simple moving average. See if price can break through the $30 spot on plug power. MVEX as well, this is looking solid for the push to the upside. Even that $90 zone, I would like this one, but for now $70 is going to act as our support. Adobe as well, right now we're looking at price around this area for support. 450 is going to be your support on ADBE, so keep an eye out on that. BBBY, Bed Bath and Beyond, we're looking at support around the 20 exponential moving average in anticipation of another push to the upside. But for now, your 20, if 20 exponential moving average fail, then look further to the moving average, 200 moving average. So that is your best bet. GME, they announced a split, a stock split. Right now you need this 200 moving average to hold as our support in anticipation of the move to the upside. If momentum comes, this can push, you know, back into the $200 zone as well. AMC did pop on that news, but fell into $22 spot. So $22.50 is going to be our support. $22.50 is going to be our support on AMC. If that fails, then look for $20 to come. Okay. Next one is gonna be SE. At this point in time, I'm looking for price to hold the 20 exponential moving average. ENSG, this one is ensign group. Right now we are breaking and pushing through resistance. Okay, we're breaking barriers right now, so we're pushing out of this $90 zone to the upside. Okay, 75% on RSI. Volume is coming in decent, so just keep an eye out and see if momentum continue to push to the upside on that name as well. Ford as well, did talk about this, and right now this 200 moving average is your area of support. See if that area holds. HD as well, back to support. And for now, CVS, we're looking at support at $100. $100 is gonna be your support, guys. Okay, don't worry, just keep calm. At this point in time, 52 broke and to the upside. Right now we are in the overbought territory, overbought zone, with huge amount of volume coming in. See if this can really push into 60. 60 is going to act as your resistance zone, guys. The remaining chart, I'm going to post them up on my Twitter and on my stock tweet account, so keep an eye out on those as well. Thank you guys for being here. If you feel free to subscribe as well, and feel free to email me at tradingsuccessshow@gmail.com if you have any questions, concern. You can email me there. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you for your time. Have a fantastic weekend, guys. Peace and love. Bye bye.